11 Hidden Dangers of the Keto Diet. The keto diet promises quick weight loss and more. But there can be negative side effects and even serious health consequences for those who are unaware. The keto flu. The keto diet is an ultra-low-carb and high-fat diet that restricts total carbohydrate numbers to just 20 or 30 net grams of carbohydrate per day. That's the equivalent of a single piece of fruit or half a bagel. The keto diet differs from other low-carb diets because rather than emphasizing proteins, it centers on fat, which supplies 60 to 80% of daily calories, with 5 to 10% from carbs and 10 to 30% from protein. When you cut carbs, your body's preferred source of energy, you require your body to suddenly shift to fat for fuel. This raises blood levels of ketones and puts you in a state of ketosis, hence the name keto diet. Once this shift happens, you will lose weight. However, you may also experience some negative side effects. This is commonly referred to as the keto flu. The keto flu is a very real side effect as the body transitions to a ketogenic diet, says Suzanne Fisher, Road, in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Brain fog, fatigue, dizziness, and insomnia are common with the keto flu. Low blood sugar. Once ketosis is established, most people experience more stable and lower blood sugar levels. Low-carb diets can be an effective way for people with type 2 diabetes to get a handle on glycemic control, and carb monitoring has long been thought to be an effective way to control blood sugar. Anecdotal evidence abounds from people with type 2 diabetes who used the keto diet to stabilize their blood sugar. Many were also able to quit taking their diabetes medication. But it's not recommended that people with diabetes begin the keto diet without first talking to their doctor. Keep in mind that one study published in a 2015 issue of the journal, Diabetes Therapy, concluded that low-carb diets are not necessarily a better long-term strategy than other diets. Nutritional deficiencies. The low-carb, high-fat approach to the keto diet limits the types of foods you can have, and entire food groups are eliminated entirely. Beans, legumes, and whole grains are out, as are many fruits and vegetables. Many of these foods carry vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients you can't get from any other source, and without them, you may start to experience nutritional deficiencies. Constipation and bowel changes. Eliminating most fruits and vegetables can have other consequences, too. Without fiber-rich foods, you may begin to experience bowel changes, including difficulty having a bowel movement and eventually constipation. Loss of electrolytes. As ketosis begins, your body will start dumping glycogen, which is an energy source of carbohydrate stored in the muscles and liver. Decreased serum sodium. The average American eats entirely too much sodium, but on the keto diet, you may struggle to eat enough. Dehydration. People in the early stages of the keto diet are prone to dehydration issues. A ketogenic diet is known as a water-flushing diet, due to a lessening of inflammation and a reduction of glycogen stores in your muscles and liver. Kidney stones and kidney damage. If not treated or reversed, dehydration can lead to acute kidney injury, Dr. Ranama says. That's not the only way the keto diet can put your kidneys at risk, however. Kidney stones or damage to the kidney may also be a side effect. Bad breath. During ketosis, your body produces ketones, or byproducts of the fat-burning process. Your body uses several tactics to remove the ketones from your body, including exhalation. When your lungs excrete ketones, they leave as foul-smelling acetone. Because of this fat-burning process, you may develop bad breath while you're in ketosis. Drink plenty of fluid to help your mouth stay hydrated and reduce the risk for bad breath. If the situation becomes particularly smelly, you can turn to sugar-free mints or gum to mask the situation. To see more details, please click the link below the description of the video, and you remember to subscribe to the channel to receive the latest video.